Hey there, Ryan here. Silly Review be giving you a little instructional video here. If you have whole bean coffee, right? Whole bean coffee, but you don't have, what are you to do? Don't worry. If you don't have a grinder, I'm sure you have a blender, and a blender works just fine. As a matter of fact, this is my portable battery-powered blender, which does pack a punch in several videos now over the years. And this thing still goes strong, but that's not what we're talking about specifically here. Let's talk about how you can grind coffee at home without a coffee grinder should you have whole coffee beans and you want some cold brew or some hot brewed coffee. It's pretty simple. I already have the jet setter open. Whole beans. Make sure you leave enough room in your machine so that the beans can move around as they grind up. Just leave your regular blade in there, whatever you have. Nothing fancy is going to be needed. This has been tested in many a machine. I just find it super convenient now with my portable machine. Since I'm going to be using my Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer to make some cold brew coffee, I'm not going to grind this too fine. But if I was using this in the standard drip coffee machine, then I would grind it up pretty fine. This is all you do. So you just grind it up. So for me, right about there, that's where I'm going to need it to do my cold brew coffee. But like I said, if I wanted to put this through the hot drip, your standard that you'll find on most countertops and most homes, then I would keep this going for a while. And if you notice that it's not moving the beans around, the beans aren't going down, getting ground up and coming back up and going like this, probably just one of two things. One, make sure you have no moisture in here. So it could be like three things. Make sure you don't have any moisture in here because things will start getting stuck. So you can't like run this through the dishwasher or wash it and then not dry it really well because they'll all start getting stuck. The second thing would be you put too much in and there's just not going to be enough power and enough space for it. Takes them out. And then the third thing would be sometimes you can, pulse. That's what I was doing here. I started with the pulse and then I let it run. Give it the pulse, stop it. That'll shake things up. Pulse it again, then run it. And you should be perfectly fine. So this is what you do to grind coffee if you don't have a specific appliance called a coffee grinder. Thanks so much for watching. Check out another video. Hit the like. Maybe you would subscribe. Leave a comment. Do you know a better way, another way, an alternative way? What if you're camping and you thought you brought ground coffee with you and then dang, you have whole beans and you don't have a blender? What would you do at that point? I would love for some outdoorsmen or outdoors to give their feedback on that scenario. Very interesting. This would probably just be for your urbanites in a comfortable home with electricity. Thank you for watching.